Hey folks, and welcome. We're going to walk through how to install the Q&A Google Sheets add-on from AgencyAutomators. First step is to head over to your add-ons tab in Google Sheets, click it, and then click the Get Add-ons button. When this opens up, you can type any number of search terms to find our add-on. You can use the letter Q, you can do GMB, you can do agency, you pick, and you'll find us. You just click on the icon. It'll open up the extension or the add-on. You then click the install button. This will walk you through some questions. Click continue. Pick your user that you want to verify the add-on with. There'll be some permissions that you have to approve. You can learn more about each one if you want. Scroll down, click allow, and then your add-on will be ready to go. After you see the done, click done, close that, and then now when you click your add-ons, you should see a menu with a list of options.